Hey, what's up, guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning, and today I'm back with another video. So, today we'll be discussing about Lambda. So, Google 3 days back into Google I/O event released or introduced Lambda. Now, 2 years back, Google also introduced BERT, and 1 year down the line, OpenAI also introduced GPT-3. So these were big names into NLP domains, and Lambda is another big model or another big utility which Google has given us. Now, how Lambda is different from BERT and GPT-3, and what makes Lambda special? The first thing which separates Lambda from other things is that Lambda is only trained on dialogue conversation. That is not with GPT-3 and BERT. That is the first thing which separates Lambda from other BERT and GPT-3. So Lambda basically is a language model. It is trained on dialogue applications. Dialogue applications means conversation, chatbot conversation. So it has been trained on dialogue conversation only, based on transformer architecture, trained only and only on textual data. They are having its future plan to make it multimodal, in which they'll be using audio, video, etc. For example, if Lambda turns out to be multimodal, so it would be like if I'm watching a video and I give an input as uh, move to the ending climax scene of Radhe. So it would pick the last climax scene of Radhe and bring the video or start the video at that point. That would be a difference if it turns out to be multimodal, but for now it is only trained on textual data on dialogue conversation. They are having future plans of making it multimodal. Okay, then it could virtually talk about anything. That's very interesting. Sometimes anything means literally anything. It is open ended. That's the most beautiful thing about Lambda. What do you mean by open ended? By open ended, it means that, for example, if I'm having a normal conversation with another person, it starts at one point, but it goes to another point. Like, for example, if you're discussing about India New Zealand World Test Championship, from there it can go to IPL. From there it can go to remaining IPL. From IPL it can go to Australian cricket. So there is no limit, right? It's a property which is seen into human conversations. It every time open ended. After one generative response, it is having infinite directions in which the conversation can go, and that is the beauty of Lambda. Lambda has cracked it. Apart from that, there's one more thing, that it is not just a chatbot which gives responses, but it also a chatbot which initiates conversation. Now, if someone says that what is today's day, so it just won't give answer Friday. It will tell today it's Friday. How was your day, and what did you had, and what did you had in your breakfast? So it is like a humanly conversation. So that is the most beautiful thing which is cracked by Lambda. It is open ended and it initiates conversation. You can see sensibleness, specificity into conversation. There is some context in it. Okay, definitely it can be fine tuned to improve the sensibleness and specificity of the response, and it's open ended. So these were the basic properties of what Lambda is. Okay, now we'll see the demo or an example of how this Lambda works. Okay, now this example I've taken from the Google I/O demo itself. Now if someone says I just started taking guitar classes, Lambda gives the input, Lambda gives the output like, how exciting, my mom has a vintage Martin that she loves to play. Now just see here, see the conversation. It is so humanly. It didn't just be like, it didn't just talk to guitar, right? It gave a very humanly responded, how exciting, my mom has vintage Martin that she loves to play. You can see specificity here being catch. It is not, it is on the topic of music, right? On the point of guitar, it is also a sensible answer. Now there can be some other responses also, like if the chatbot gives a response good, if someone says I started taking the guitar classes and chatbot gives good, or if it says oh yeah, or if it says sorry I'm not aware, these are also sensible answers. Okay, but one thing that separates Lambda from the other chatbots or the enhancement in Lambda is that the sensibleness, the humanliness and the open-endedness. You can see here that it has also initiate a conversation. How exciting, my mom has a vintage Martin that she loves to play. The another person would be intrigued to ask about his mom's experience of guitar. You can see open-endedness, you can see specificity, and definitely sensibleness also. Now this is some of the advances which Lambda has achieved from the other dialogue conversation or the chatbots which you can have by using Rasa or the other APIs. Okay, so that was with the Lambda introduction by Google. They are also planning to make it multi-modal, include audio and video in it, and that would be amazing. Yeah, so that's it with this, guys. If you like this video, if you learned something about it, do give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned to AS Learning for more such amazing tech stuff, and do check other AI videos also. Take care, peace out.